This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Welcome Home Bright and Cheery. This home features an open floor plan promoting a sense of connectivity and fluidity throughout the home, perfect for entertaining. The open design maximizes natural lighting with cathedral ceilings and large windows. Spacious kitchen is the heart of the home with a breakfast bar, lots of countertop space, espresso cabinets, kitchen eat-in area with bay window and stainless steel appliances. Primary suite includes a roomy bedroom, bathroom with shower/tub, double sinks, and a walk-in closet. And let's not forget the welcoming exterior. Great curb appeal and charming front porch, ideal for morning coffee chats. Step out the back door to a lovely porch and a big yard that is fully fenced in, perfect for children and furry friends. Built in 2018. Hurricane shutters. Don't miss out on this great home, ready for new owners. For more information, review the details below.